For models without turbochargers, working at the front of the radiator support, remove the two T20 torque fasteners for the intake duct, as indicated by the green arrows. Working at the air intake duct connection to the air filter housing, use a small flathead screwdriver and release the retaining tabs on each side and pull the duct off. Then pull the intake duct out of the radiator support and remove it from the vehicle, green arrow. Then loosen the hose clamp, green arrow, and remove the air filter housing fasteners as indicated by the yellow arrows. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector by releasing the tab with a small flathead screwdriver and pulling the connector out of the sensor, green arrow. Remove the air filter housing from the vehicle by lifting it up and disconnecting the duct from the mass airflow sensor. Place the air filter housing on a solid working surface, then loosen the 6 T20 torque intake air housing fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Then remove the air filter housing lid. Remove the air filter from the intake air housing and replace with a new part. Install the filter housing lid into the housing and tighten the fasteners. Install the filter housing in the engine compartment, then tighten the clamp, the housing fasteners, and connect the duct. For models with turbochargers, use a flathead screwdriver and release the air filter lid clips as indicated by the green arrows. Remove the air filter from the housing, install a new filter, and reinstall the lid. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.